stay together. It's now or never, baby, it's time. I'm thinking